Well, good evening, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Smitty. Glad to see you all come back and join me. Man, I tell you, this Florida weather's crazy. There was like virtually no clouds in the sky, maybe that one there, but it was just enough to pour like nobody's business, like cow pissing on a flat rock, and then it quit. And so now the humidity is like bleh. Anyway, hey, if you like the content I'm providing, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, turn your notification bell on, all that good jazz. Like and share with your friends. This is one of those videos that I'm not real crazy about making, and you know, everybody has their downfalls, and you know, I don't know if it's me or if it's somebody else, but anyway, remember the 4L60E that I built for a customer? It's back right there. And he said what happened is that he got on it to get around somebody and it just freewheeled. It stuttered a little bit and then no forward gears whatsoever. Got reversed, no problem, but all forward gears. Now, you know, I told you in you know, another video or so that they had a tendency to have forward sprag failures. This was the updated forward sprag, but usually when the forward sprag breaks, you at least have manual first and manual second. But he says there's nothing there. So I guess we're gonna go into it together, and I know it's gonna be repeat, but to tell you what this is, this was in a 2005 GMC Sierra. It's got a 5.3 in it with an LS3 cam. Headers, I don't think he's got a gear just yet. He might, but I don't remember. Anyway, it's been dynoed. So the only thing we really didn't upgrade on this, well, there's a couple of things we didn't. We didn't do the 5-gear planets, and we didn't replace the input housing and shell assembly. But you know, everything else was updated. So we'll get this thing apart. I'll take you along with it. I know you all have seen it before, but you know, sometimes you got to learn by failure. And on transmissions, you learn on what'll hold what. You know, if it can't hold 400 horse, then we need to update some parts. So let's get with it. I'm gonna set you up and we'll get everything moved around, because as you can tell from my trip back, I've got another 4L80E that I got actually for the guy that I put in. And I've got my toolbox that I take with me when I do mobile jobs. It just has, you know, basics in it. But we got to get all that junk off the bench, get that dude mounted up in the holder there, and get it tore down. So hang on. By the way, what I'm about to do, please don't do this at home unless you're just some muscle man, which I'm not. But I don't feel like cooking it up. You know what? Forget that. I'm gonna cheat. I really don't feel like hurting my back. And this is the main reason why I bought this GM holding fixture. It's because they got smart and put a loop in it. Okay, that's the right way to do it. Safe and sound, and this thing's still got the converter in it. Normally I'd probably just pick it up because I'm dumb like that, and I'm really too old to be doing that kind of stuff, but I'm stubborn. Anyway, so get that out of the way. A little bit of a mess cleaned up here. First things first, good drain pan. Need to pull this converter out. We're just going to leave that strap on there and just keep it out of the way. Fluid's nice and pink. That's a good thing. Alright, let's pop it up there and get this bell housing off. I'm going to pull the... These things work great as plugs, by the way. Well, that's a good sign. The pan's nice and clean. That's a real good sign. I'm betting the Ford Sprag's just laid over, but we'll see. Very happy with the way the fluid looks. And gently, because there's going to be check balls in there. And plastic ones are a little harder to see. Alright, time to flip it back on the side. Let's get this pump out of here. That's not a good sign. There it goes. It just wanted to be stubborn. Alright, let's pop our band anchor out. Man, that band was seating in very nice. Alright, I have a feeling we're going to find what our damage right here. Man, this thing looks good. I mean, look at the way that band's seating in there. Seating very nice. Couldn't be happier with that. Yeah, I think we found our problem. There's 3/4s we had trouble with last time, and man, they look fantastic. They look really good. Wearing nice and even. I'm tickled to death with that. Take a peek at the rest of our clutches here. They look, overruns look fantastic. Ford clutches look like you still see the Borg Warner on it. Ford clutches are fantastic. There's our problem. I can't turn this Ford Sprag either way. So, Ford Sprag said, not today. Uh-oh, I don't even think I can get this apart. That is no bueno. Trying to get this race out of here so I can at least show you guys. Boy, it's really laid over. There you go. You look right there. Get a couple fingers going every which direction. There you go. A little better light. And see how that cage is wrinkled there? There's your problem right there. That forward sprag no longer forward. Tried to go both directions. So there you have it, guys. The 4L60E apparently just had a failed part in it. Everything else looks like it's going to be pretty good. So we'll just put some more valve body gaskets in it and some new Teflon seals, and the gaskets that we need to replace and that kind of jazz. Try to find another forward sprag. I've got some here, but it's up to the customer whether or not he wants me to use them or he wants to put another. This is supposed to be, I think, a 29 element sprag. I don't know if they're any better than the other ones, but they're supposed to be stronger, but apparently not today. So anyway, hey, I hope you like what you've seen. Like I said, I'm not afraid to open one back up I've built. That's just the way it goes sometimes. The rest of the transmission looks fantastic. I mean, everything was good. I'm happy with the way that it's wearing. It's got a couple of dyno pulls on it. I know that. And he'd been driving it around for a couple weeks. Like I said, he just went to pass somebody and said it stuttered a little bit, and that was it. And it had full reverse, no problem. So we'll get a hold of him and see what he wants to do. He had mentioned he wanted to do the sonnax smart shell, or not smart shell, but the input housing. I really don't think it needs it. The clutches are wearing perfect. I mean, I couldn't ask for it to wear any better. So anywho, that's going to do it for today. So I hope you all enjoyed it. Till next time, make sure to take care of yourself, take care of each other. Don't let all this BS in the media screw you up. Use your head. Love you guys. Take care of yourself, take care of each other. God bless you, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.